In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Slack. Emojis are a quick, friendly way to add tone to your messages and keep conversations lively and clear. Whether you're celebrating a win, acknowledging a task, or just adding a touch of personality, there are two simple ways to use them in Slack: placing emojis directly into your chat and reacting to someone else's message with an emoji. First, let's add an emoji to a chat message. When you're typing in Slack, look for the small smiley face icon near the message field. Clicking this opens the emoji picker. You'll see familiar categories and, usually at the top, a list of your most frequently used emojis, which makes it easy to grab your favorites. If you already have a specific emoji in mind, use the search bar in the picker and type a keyword, like thumbs or party, to find it instantly. Once you click the emoji you want, it drops right into your message. You can mix emojis with text, add more than one, and adjust your wording so it reads naturally. If you change your mind, just delete it like regular text before sending. When your message looks good, send it as usual, and the emoji will appear in line for everyone to see. Next, let's react to someone else's message. When you move your mouse over a message in Slack, a small set of action icons appears. Click the emoji icon there to add a reaction. This opens a compact version of the picker. Choose the emoji that best reflects your response, maybe a check mark for acknowledgement, a heart for appreciation, or a laugh for something funny, and it will appear right below the message. Reactions help reduce extra chatter, because you can show agreement or feedback without posting a new message. As more teammates choose the same reaction, you'll see a number next to the emoji climb, which makes it easy to gauge consensus at a glance. That's all there is to it. Click the emoji icon in your chat to add emojis to your own messages, and hover over a message from someone else to add an emoji reaction. Use emojis thoughtfully to add clarity, highlight important moments, and keep channels tidy. With just these two simple actions, you'll communicate faster and with more personality in Slack. Thanks for watching, and happy emojiing!